What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Young Soldier 93 here, and today I have a quick unboxing. Even though it's already unboxed, I ended up messing up the video last night, so I decided to redo it again. This is my Galaxy S10 Plus. I got the white prism edition of it with the outer box attached to it. I'm gonna go ahead and take that out for you right now. So this outer box is pretty damn tight, and as you guys can see, kind of like at the bottom right hand corner and left hand corner, the actual initial protective covering for the screen is actually coming off. So I'm just gonna leave it as is, but I'm not sure if you guys can see, it's the white prism in there. You got your 3 cameras in there. There's two 12 megapixels with the 16 megapixel wide camera. You got your sensor right there, and you got your light. Obviously this comes with the Snapdragon 855 CPU, along with the micro SD at the top here. So basically when you get your new phone and you want to find out where your SIM card, ejection, and everything is at, it's at the top left here. Everything that comes within this box, you basically get your USB-C cables. I tried to put everything in there, but didn't do too good of a job. So you got your USB-C cable. You got your 2 amp fast charger. I'm not sure if you guys want to check out those numbers right there. The fast charger actually works. It charges pretty fast. You got your USB female to USB-C male. I'm not exactly sure what this is for, but I don't know if you can find use with it. You can. Now your ejection SIM tool comes within this little Samsung booklet, which is posted like on a underside of this S10 top cover. So in order for you to take that out, there's a little tab there that you pull off, and it'll be right there on the back. It also comes with the AKGs that I have not used or taken out yet, and these things look kind of sweet. As you can see, they're braided in there. They have the different cushions for your ear, so if you got smaller ears or bigger ears, you should be able to pick one of those bad boys out to see which one fits your ear. No, I'm gonna go ahead and take this out real quick. See if I can do it with one hand. Yep, there we go. That's basically what they look like. And they also come with a looks to be like a little mic, a little headset, so you can call people while keeping your headset in there. But this is your SIM tool that comes out. Nothing too fancy, nothing too special. So as I said, 128 gigabyte Samsung S10 Plus. The reason why I went with this instead of like the 1 terabyte with 12 gigs of RAM. Now, the only model that comes with 12 gigs is the 1 terabyte edition. The 128 and the 512, they all come with the 5 or the 8 gigabyte processor, or 8 gigs of RAM. My bad, not processor. But it comes with the 2 cameras up top, which are, one of them is 10 megapixels and the other one is 8 megapixels. Now a lot of people may complain about the notch here, but it's not that bad when you get used to it, because on your older phones you have your wireless settings, but your icons, your battery icons and everything to the far right, and your eyes are so used and focused to going over here to the right that it could get annoying that you're just staring at the camera for like a split second. But you get used to that like pretty fast. As far as like videos and stuff, watching it on here, it's not that bad. Let's see. Just go to like a random one. Turn on this volume real quick. Skip that. As you can see, like it actually is pretty flush. It's not that bad. It doesn't take up that much screen real estate on there, so it's not bad at all when watching videos. This one comes with the One UI. Let me see if I can go to the settings real quick to show you the software information stuff. So there you go. One UI with version 1.1. I ended up getting an update for it yesterday. I'm not sure what it was for, but oh yeah, I want to show you guys the biometrics and everything too. You got your fingerprints and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and type this bad boy in real quick. So you got your fingerprints. So I'll show you guys how the system works. Please show you. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, you know what? I guess you can only add 4. So let's go ahead and remove this one real quick. Then add fingerprint, and I'm gonna show you guys how this stuff works. Now in the meantime, while we're doing this, I'm gonna talk to you guys about how much this bad boy cost right out the gate. So I ended up buying the unlocked version, and the unlocked version, as everybody knows, is $999 at Best Buy. Now you can get them, I think $50 cheaper at Best Buy if you go through Verizon or Sprint. But I ended up getting this unlocked. So in total, I spent $1079 on this phone, which I guess ain't bad. I mean, it's still over $1,000, but initially I was gonna go and get an iPhone XS Max, but this bad boy came out, so I couldn't pass up the opportunity of getting this one, because this one has way more features in it that I enjoy and that I love, and I'm getting more bang for my buck getting this phone than I would be getting the iPhone XS Max. Obviously you got your face recognition, which works pretty quick. The only thing I don't like is when you're at the lock screen, it's a 2-step process. Basically, you scan your face, and then you gotta swipe up to get into your phone. I mean, it's cool for what it is, but maybe it's a quirk in there that unlocks it without me having to do the 2-step process. But I'm still new to this phone. I'm still figuring out everything. But I had this phone for a couple hours, and it's pretty good. It's everything I expected it to be. The camera quality on here is amazing, which I will have videos up soon. It loads up the games pretty fast. It's smooth playing these games right here. Go ahead and try to get this going real quick. As you can see, it's just smooth. So it's not that bad. It's actually pretty good. It has a 41 milliamperage hour battery, which is supposedly an all-day battery, and I can see it'll last you all day. It's got a water resistance IP68, so it has some water resistance, but why would you want to put $1,000 phone in the water? I mean, if it's on accident, yeah, but you know, some people out there like to do some foolish stuff. So it's got some water resistance, dust resistance. When you get the phone, it comes with a screen protector and everything. Am I forgetting anything? Oh, let's talk about this OtterBox. So this OtterBox case actually comes with a little clip thing, so you could be that uncle at the barbecue and everything. And this bad boy will run you about $63 in total with taxes. So it's not bad. And the reason why I even went the outer box is because this phone is way too expensive to be messing up. Way too expensive. So I feel more confident knowing that I have this outer box on than any other like thin case. Because this phone, as I said, is too expensive. I'm coming from a Moto G5 Plus. So this bad boy is deserving of an outer box. But you know, that's everything I can think about talking about, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Oh, and also before I forget, this also has a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack on the back here. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off real quick. Apple doesn't have that. So you got your speaker down here, you got your mic receiver right there, and you got another speaker at the top of the phone here. Also, the buds. I pre-ordered this. I'm not getting my buds until May 6th. So for those of you that are pre-ordering this phone or have pre-ordered this phone, and they give you the paperwork and everything for you to go to Samsung themselves to order from, it's gonna take a minute. It took a while for me to get this phone as well. I ordered this phone on the 27th, and I'm just now getting it on the 14th of yesterday. So make sure you pre-order your buds as fast as possible, because them suckers are gonna take a while to come in. But I appreciate you guys for watching. As I said, there will be more update videos talking about the camera quality and everything, and I will catch you guys in the next one.